Hi traders, Anthony here. So we had an entry back here. I wanted to close 80% here and I missed it. And now we're getting definitely market manipulation going on here. There's this range. We pull this through the Asian session, more or less through here. We could pull this range through here. So what we've had with this is a dip to the downside and a spike to the upside just as we moved into the London Open. If I bring in the Forex sessions here, okay, so it traded up pretty suddenly as we moved into the London Open, and then it's whipped back again. I'm just waiting for this to give us a little bit of ground here, and then I want to take partial profits. I'm just waiting for this to roll over. We have a weekly level down here, so it's a big level, a couple of bounces off that, so good to take some money out and then set this up as a risk-free trade from here on. You can see down here the higher time frames are predominantly bearish, so the momentum is definitely to the downside, and I went in on the pullback here as this rotated, took the short, but then you've got this market manipulation going on where they attack liquidity both sides of the range, and this happens as we move into the London session. So look, you know what, I'm gonna close 80% of my position now so that we've got money in the bag. So I've got 100. I'll go 80 partial close. All right, so if we go down to our account, okay, that's still running account history. Just open that up. See, we've closed $40. So right, we're $40 in the money. I'm going to tighten up my stop loss now so that we at least break even. The 63.80. Let's just get closer to it. Here it is. So pull it down in here. 39. Okay. So that's a break even if that gets taken out. So if we're $41 and 39 is the worst case scenario if my stop gets hit. I'm happy to leave it there. So what I'll do is I'll trade this now on the 15-minute chart. I just want to set myself up to be risk-free. I think that's the first thing is account preservation. So with that, I am keen to see if we can reach this target, but let's just tighten things up and see how we go with this. So this, as you can see, we'll manage this on the 15-minute chart. So that's slightly in the money if that gets taken out. So your broker fees are covered and it's more or less a break even. This is risk free. All right, we've got bearish momentum in the higher time frames. Let's see how we go. So with this now, I'm converting this to a trade on the 15-minute chart, and I'm going halfway between these dots here and these dots here. If we gain a bit of traction with it, I'll pull it down and I'll probably follow the inner level of dots as they move, and then the outer level of dots will trail behind. But at the moment, I'm just going to leave my stop loss halfway through the cloud here, our cloud, and just see if we can kind of get a bit of distance with it. Okay guys, well that's the New Zealand dollar trade. Watch the video prior to this one. That was having a look at it and doing a bit of TA, the opportunity, etc. And then I actually posted my trade setup into the Telegram group. So now we just manage the trade and see if we can gain a bit of distance with the remaining portion of our position. Okay guys, with that, jump on board with us. We've got the Telegram group, gain access to the indicators mainly. Watch my other videos. The link is below the video in the description. There's a 7-day free trial. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.